Hello guys, it's Cookie Cat here and welcome back to another video, and today I am joined by Horse Cray Cray 10. Would you like to say hello?
Hello.
And today I will be doing an 85 sub special because I'm really lazy and didn't do one yesterday. I am sorry. Today we are going to be doing kind of like an Easter Bunny giveaway because I have nothing else to do with my life, so yeah. Aggressive smiles in the background. Me at every single one of my videos, honestly. Okay, so where would you like to start?
I don't know.
I'm gonna start here. Don't. Yay. Congratulations. I can't spell. Seriously, it's so bad. Enjoy your present.
Ooh, okay. Oh, thanks.
You are very welcome.
I'm gonna wear those right now.
Oh. Oh. The way they look on the Arctic wolves, I can't.
Amazing.
No. That should be on every single person's look, and if it's not, they're not fashionable. All right.
Match my colds now.
Yee. Casually just stands in the background. Whoop. Editing this video is going to be so fun. Ooh. I'm like the most boring person right now. It's not even funny. I'm usually not this boring, but it's literally like 10 o'clock at night for me, and I'm just like slowly dying.
Really? It's 1:58 for me.
Yeah, I'll show the time. The time is kind of wrong on my computer, but it's an hour slow. It's actually supposed to be 10. I'll show I don't know. Yeah, I'll just show it on the video. You could tell because my time zone. I wish I had the same time zone as you because I had to stay up till 1 o'clock in the morning just to talk to you. The struggles. Sleep is for the weak, am I right?
Why is my Skype not...
Skype is slowly hating everyone that joins it.
It is.
Okay, I'm gonna go
there we go.
You good?
Yes,
Is it working? Okay. I'm going into Jamal Township if you want to join me. I'm just gonna go and gift some people that I think need some RARs in their life.
Okay, I'm
Okay. First victim. Who should we gift it to? I think this person, right? I can't... Mercy Doodle. Oh, that's a kind of a nice username, to be honest.
Macy Doodle.
I wish I was as creative as that. My username was LOL. I said I was in science class, and he mentioned fossilization, and I was like, oh, cool. I'm gonna change my username.
Where'd they go?
I have no idea, but I gave it to them anyways. Oh. Thanks for ditching me. That's really nice of you. Silently cries in the corner. Gray rocker hair? No. Who else should we give it to? Should we go to a different server, or should we give someone else in the server something?
Yeah, let's just go to a different one.
Okay, I'll follow you then. Ooh, someone just... Huh? Why? No, I don't want to take this on you.
Too bad I gave it to you.
I'll feel like a bad GMer if I take this on you.
Aggressive clicking trying to get into a server. What is this?
Yeah, honestly, I was gonna warn you before that you're probably gonna hear a lot of aggressive clicking because I'm a very, very hostile clicker. Literally, it gets to the point where it's I'm defending my territory with clicks.
Ooh, top hat. Damn it, I can't wear it with my glasses.
Oof. Glasses are better. Oh, you're
And
welcome,
we'll
Doodle.
make a feature where you can put stuff on your face and your head.
I know, right? Like Play Wild?
Yeah.
Do you play Wild by any chance? Because, like, I know half the people I know don't even, like, know it exists.
I used to, but I don't have any space on my phone anymore, so I deleted it.
I never have space on my phone. Yeah, by the way, me and my mom both like your accent, so we're not judging. Mom silently comes in the room, I like your friend's accent, and I'm like, why don't you say something instead of, like, writing it on a piece of paper and showing me? Like, seriously.
A lot of people hate my accent.
Why, though?
I don't know.
That's not fun.
I love your accent. It's really cool.
Thanks. I don't believe people when they say, like, I have an accent, because, like, honestly, everyone I'm around is like, we sound the same. Honestly, I'm gonna give Aimee one because I like their look. You are a snazzy person. Pick a creature mask.
Cool.
Woo! Wow, I'm just they're not accepting jamograms right now.
Oh no, I hate it when that happens.
Time to pick someone else. Jammer 3 and then a bunch of other random letters and numbers. I'm silently judging everyone in this room who has their inbox that's full. Hence why I got a new account, because I'm like, I'm not going through 300 different jamograms and deleting all of them. I'm too lazy for that. I'm just gonna send Easter things. Oh, well, my dog just looks like he hates a teddy. No. Stop sitting on my stuff. Plus. Ugh, triggered.
I really want a dog. I can't get one.
Oh, like, do they not allow it where you live?
No, just my mum hates dogs.
Oh, really?
But we've got a cat, so...
Oh, I mean, cats are great.
Yeah, they are.
My dog's technically a cat, so I technically have a cat.
Well, my cat's technically a dog.
So it's a win-win situation.
Yeah.
What kind of cat do you have?
I don't know, but she's grey.
That's a pretty accurate cat.
Well, we just got her from, like, the vet or something, so it's not, like, a certain breed.
Oh, you did you, like, adopt her? I can't speak, seriously, honestly, words come out of my mouth. Like, did you adopt her or something?
Yeah.
That's always nice. What's her name?
Crystal.
See, that's a cute name for a cat.
Oh my gosh. You can buy, like, new plants in the Seripa forest. I don't know how to say that.
Oh, there's new plants? Wow, I like plants. Plants are great. See, like, I say the most intelligent things sometimes. Like, I'll just be there and, like, I like plants.
Oh my goodness, it won't let me buy it.
Why?
It just says this purchase can't be made right now. Try again.
I always hated when that happens. It's like, I'm, like, probably the only one buying it at this point in time. Can I please just buy it? How have I been recording for 9 minutes already?
Have you?
Oh, I'm just gonna, I'm gonna blame it on the lag. Honestly, the lag is, like, eating me alive right now. This is why I don't use Skype on my computer, because if that happens, I wouldn't be able to, like, physically do anything. Oh, death. Yum. Oh my gosh, Kimmy. Oh my.
Yeah, I'm happy now. I bought the stuff.
Ooh, yay, congratulations on buying stuff. Oh my gosh. Honestly, the struggles of people having their inbox full can just please, I want to give you my stuff. Take my stuff. I want to give you my stuff. Take my stuff now.
Why does this koala look so depressed?
Honestly, I think koalas look depressed, like, in general. Like, a depressed version of Miley Cyrus. I mean, come on, let's not kid ourselves there. Oh, thank you! I got a Jolly Elf hat. That's some hot items right there. Ooh. Mmm. Yes.
Oh, that's great.
Mmm. I feel like I probably shouldn't be wearing this now, but I'm wearing it anyways. Oh, where is there more people that I can gift? Animal girl. You can have a gift. Take my rares. Take them now. I have 2 more things to give away. I mean, if you want, I'll give you some of the stuff if you want to give it away if you want. I mean, like, I have a bunch of stuff I have to give away.
Okay.
Here you go. As I cough and man, I never have cough drops with me. I always cough, but I never have cough drops. That doesn't make any sense. I need caffeine. Caffeine would be so good right now. Dying whale noises. Ooh, let's see. Wolf Sentries, just because that's a really nice noise username. Please don't tell me that your inbox is full, because I will scream. Just love me. I'm serious though, like, if your inbox is full, I swear. Okay, good. Okay. I think that was the last thing I had to give away. I'll see. I'll check right now. Yeah, that is the last thing I had to give away. Ooh, whoops, let me just eat. You are welcome, and thank you for the rare
I said
snowflake.
something to someone,
Ooh,
and they
nice.
said, thank you, and how do you know me?
Wait, what? Like, they literally asked
I'm just
that?
trying to be nice.
Wait, they just asked, how do you know me? Well, got that on video. That was interesting.
And now they said, oh, never mind.
Okay. Well then. You
Moving
are
on.
welcome. What? Okay, yeah. I'm gonna end the video here. I'm actually gonna put Horse Cray Cray 10's video YouTube channel in the description below. So be sure to go check her out in the description below. Would you like to say goodbye? Because I shall be ending it here.
Okay, bye.
Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.